we started off with the base, and now we are here to speak upon the concealer. I do only use concealer as a foundation, but today we are here for a little bit of more coverage. So I have my tan going, which is looking absolutely bomb. This concealer claims to be buttery smooth, hides pores, hides uneven texture of your skin. It blends, it blurs. I am here for the moment, so I am here to test that out. You guys know that I love one size products. I am a fiend for them, so this is going to be really fun. The color that I'm in is medium 1 neutral. I do like when my under eye base is very brightened, so I'm here for that. So let's open her up. Okay, there's not much of a scent, which is really good because my eyes get really irritated sometimes. So without having a scent, that's another plus for me. I'm just gonna do my concealer regularly. I don't like to add too much, so let's see. Ooh, this is silk. This is super buttery. So this concealer is already super buttery, as you can see. I'm gonna be looking down. I have my mirror down here. So wow, there's a lot of coverage. I like to just add a little bit of concealer up here. This is the way that I like to do my concealer. I really like that it's brightened. I'm just gonna add a little bit more. I really like how this makes my under eyes look. And I normally just started to conceal. Okay, I'm gonna bring this down a little bit because I want a little bit more coverage. I'm gonna add it down here. Okay, I'm gonna add it down onto the tip of my nose and here. I also want to brighten over here. There is a little bit of shine. I'm just gonna do my blending routine, and I'm just using a BH Cosmetics brush. I'm just gonna blend this in. Alright, so what I'm seeing already is a lot of brightening, but you have to work really quickly. You have to work really quickly with this concealer, which I don't really like. Ugh. I like to let my concealer sit in my face for about like 2 minutes to 5 minutes, depending on if it's tacky enough. But I do see it brightening. I do like the coverage. I do like that my eye looks a little bit more brightened, which I really do struggle trying to find a concealer that really brightens the eye. So Patrick knew what he was doing. Okay, so Patrick knew what was happening here. Patrick knew the assignment. Period. I don't see any eye bag situation, which is a plus. Plus, I do feel super brightened. It blended like a dream. At first, when the concealer wasn't blending, I was a little skeptical, but it did a good job. I'm just using my Huda Beauty powder, and this is in the shade Cupcake. I love this. Literally, you have no bags after this. I like to just apply it here. I find it very easy just to work with. I'm going to powder this. I'm just gonna see how it wears while I do the rest of my makeup. I do have a lot of breakage normally on my nose, so I do like to set that. And we're just gonna do a baby bake. I'm not gonna do a whole, you know, baking routine. Normally with concealers, my eye bags tend to show up on my fine lines, but I do not see that here. I'm also gonna pack this powder that we set on my face and my under eyes because I want this to blend very seamlessly. Okay, and pat down here. So the concealer picked up my texture a little bit. That's gonna happen in all the concealers, so do not feel skeptical just because that's happening to me. And we're just gonna see. Okay, so this is the finished look. I just went back and I went to go do some contour, some blush, and also brighten up the eyes. I really like the way that the concealer is setting. We were having a little bit of a problem blending it out in the beginning, but it was because I wasn't working very fast enough. As you can see, there is no eye bags. I really like that, and it's super silky under my eyes. It's like the softest texture. It is really good for your skin. It evens everything. Like, I really do feel like my skin is very even. Overall, I really like this concealer, and I think you guys should go and purchase it. As always, I just want to say thank you for watching. I love you guys, and thank you for, you know, always being consistent and watching, and I love you. Bye.